Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making a sweet roasted cauliflower. For this recipe, you're going to need a whole head of cauliflower. Isn't this beautiful? Come on. But it's time for us to get started, so I'm going to turn it over and just cut around the stalk that's here. And that will start breaking off these florets of cauliflower. Be very careful. And once you get full circle, you should be able to just pull the core out here. Just keep cutting that core out. There we go. So now we have these big florets, and all we want to do with those is just cut them in half. Just like that. And for the really small ones, you can just peel those apart. Let's add the cauliflower to a large mixing bowl. Sprinkle with a half teaspoon of salt. Add half a cup of light brown sugar. Sprinkle on half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Let's work the seasonings into the cauliflower. Finally, we're going to add half a cup of pine nuts. Give that one final toss. All right, so now we need to get over to baking our cauliflower. Okay, I've got a baking pan lined with parchment paper, and I'm just gonna pour the cauliflower out on the pan. You don't have to line your pan with parchment paper. I'm just doing that for an easier cleanup. And then we're just gonna go through and position the cauliflower flat side down. Place the cauliflower into the oven that's been preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Afterwards, enjoy. Thank you for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.